everyone. My name is Aslan and welcome to the new CECAR. With the note of the day is word stress. Welcome to your user language note of the week. Today I'm going to talk about some tips to speak correct in public. For a native to pronounce a phrase is very easy. They pronounce the words very quickly. They join the consonants with the vowels, giving a harmonious intonation to the sentence. For those who are learning a second language such as English, as advised, giving them speak slowly pronounce the words correctly using the phonetic iPad alphabet, because intonation is very important when speaking in public. But what is word stress? In English, when I have a more syllabic word, one of these syllables will receive more important than the other when it is pronounced. Okay? See you the next week. I am Aslan. Bye bye.